All right. Welcome to a very special and honestly a very expected thank you episode. I am shocked. I am grateful. I'm excited for more, but we're actually at 5,000 subscribers here. And I say we because I mean, this sincerely is a team effort. Like, I am the dumbest person to be doing this. I don't know how to use the internet that well. I have no social media presence at all. And I mean, I'm just so grateful for everyone that's helped, like, comment, subscribe. I'm telling you, I know it sounds like you're not doing a lot, but it's done so much. And I can't, but I've never promoted a single video. I think I maybe promoted some early tweets, but like, this is 100% organic. And I think my favorite part is number one, the growth. I'm wildly shocked so many people are coming, but I think I'm a little surprised not that many people leave, given how different my tickers are almost every day, right? Like, even with the quant videos right now, I know I've probably gained a lot of quant stock people. I'm confident I am not going to be talking about those at some point because another hot sector, another what it's like with TTOO and NVOS about a year ago, and I mean there's so many random GTII. I know I got a bunch of subs from there. I barely talk about those if ever, right? And I mean, again, I'm here doing my best not to fall in love with stocks, right? Believe me, I'm sure a lot of people would say I can probably be doing better things going long and not moving. I mean, I'm having fun. I'm doing my thing. Knock on wood, I'm not doing that bad, And hey, I just hope people are learning and getting better. I really hated what it was like, what the stock world was like when I was learning. I would try to ask these basic questions and people were mean, people would make fun of me. I would basically live off the information that people put online and I'd be stuck, right? No one gave those detailed thoughts of what they were thinking, what they were looking for. I was so dependent. I was never able to become independent. And I mean, I can see that this little corner of the chart readers internet that we have, I can see people that went from asking questions that I remember asking to all of a sudden, I think you're a better trader than I am because you're probably taking it a little more serious than I ever have. You know what I mean? I love the growth of the female viewers, man. I think, dude, the stock internet is such a male driven and really disgusting place. Most people are losing and mean and stuff like that. And my goodness, I can only imagine what it would be like being a girl and like reading all that stuff. It's disgusting. It really is. And again, I can see the growth on that side and it's beautiful. You know what I mean? So, I don't know what's going to happen next, but I know I'm going to keep doing things for free. I promise you that. Look, at some point, I'd love to do some sort of charging of something, but for sure, I'd keep some portion of it for free, right? Like, I have some thoughts in my head, but again, I think the main point is I have no plans to charge for anything, okay? Discord is free. These videos are free, right? My Twitters, my stock, like all the posts, it's all for free. I need to do more YouTube lives. That is a sincere goal for me, excuse me. I really want to do some more YouTube lives. I think it's I'm hitting record. I'm not pre-recording anything. I'm not like writing notes. I am doing things as live as I can, but I think there's a real good value of getting questions live as I say things and this and that. So I want to do that a little bit more. I'm so excited for these chart reader hats. Like I said, I'm gonna give away more than I'm gonna ask people to buy for. I'm so grateful that people love the channel and would even consider wearing it. You know what I mean? So I love this place with all my heart, man. I'm so grateful my wife lets me do it too. Like she should actually be my main focus, right? But she really lets chart readers be it so much more than I think either of us really ever expected. My dad watches every single thing. He has no idea what any of this stuff means, no interest in learning it either. But I love knowing that he listens, and I'm telling you, I have grown to love a lot of you in so many ways. As the usernames come and go, and a lot have, I know the ones that have sticked around. I'm so appreciative of it. I can like hear it in my voice, man. I love this place. I do. 5,000. I can't believe it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, so much more to come. Like we are not even close to scratching the surface, all right? Hey, I sincerely appreciate you so, so much.